Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and any syncing apps closed. That prevents conflicts. Once ready, click the Apple menu and open System Settings. On older Mac OS, this is System Preferences. You'll see categories on the left. Make sure to locate the Privacy, Profiles, and Users sections first, because those control who can change settings. This step starts the shutdown process for preferences you no longer want running. It also reveals any profiles or management that can block changes, so address them immediately. You'll now disable individual panes. Go to Privacy and Security to revoke permission for apps that add preference panes. Once done, those panes stop appearing. Next, open Profiles or General Right Arrow Profiles and remove any configuration profiles or MDM enrollments. That's often the cause of locked preferences. Make sure to sign out of iCloud or turn off Settings Sync if System Settings syncs across devices. This prevents the panes from returning. Take these steps deliberately because they change system control and behavior. Finish by restarting your Mac so changes take effect and cached preference panes are cleared. Once the system boots, open System Settings to confirm the unwanted preference panes are gone. If they persist, try Safe Mode to isolate third-party extensions. If an MDM or profile keeps restoring panes, contact the device administrator or remove the enrollment through company management. Don't force removal without permission. One key troubleshooting tip: booting to Safe Mode often reveals whether a third-party agent is re-adding the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.